Hey guys, it's Friday and andito kami ngayon sa Mega Trade Hall sa Mega Mall kasi merong event ang DTI, tinatawag nilang National Food Fair. So dito, fini-feature yung mga products ng Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Ang daming products, sobrang laki ng area. So ang daming pwedeng pagpilian, direct supplier. So kung naghahanap ka ng mga produkto mo na pwede mong ibenta online, pwede kang magpunta sa mga ganitong fair, lalong-lalo na sponsored ng DTI at saka ng DOST. Mas sigurado na direct from the farmers. So, it's mas mura siya.
Thank you.
So, itong fair lasts for 5 days. Nag-start siya Wednesday and usually nag-end ng Sunday. So, ngayon Friday, hindi masyadong madaming tao. So, maganda talagang mag-ikot pag mga weekdays. Pag weekend naman, may advantage din kasi binibenta na ng mas mura yung products nila kasi ayaw na nilang bitbitin pauwi kasi syempre mabigat yon. So ito, Friday, medyo wala pang masyadong tao, so malayang makakapag-ikot, walang pila, walang siksikan, wala kang kaagaw sa free taste. Ayun ang pinakamasaya dyan, yung free taste. Actually, nabusog ako sa free taste. Tara guys, samahan niyo po ako mag-ikot.
Free days tayo, ma'am.
There you go. Come here, sir. Picture namin kayo. If you haven't, dito pa kayo mamaya sa booth ng Shopee. Okay, dito muna kayo. Let's have a picture taken. 1,000 pesos.
Rose product po, sir. Ito muna.
Thank you.
Sa matigas. Wallet po, sir. Ito, free kiss po, sir.
Congratulations mga exhibitors ang nanalo. Rightfully so, diba? We put in the effort in making this possible as well. Congratulations, and punta na po kayo sa Shopee 211 and present your ID. Okay, now see yung booths sa e-commerce partners natin. Sa Mall 3 ang PLDT booth 210, 219 ang Globe, 211 Shopee, 224 ang PayPal, 223 Panda, 224 Grab, 218 ang Gcash, and number 4 ang cash and machines ng Gcash,
Spicy.
226 €. So, don't miss out. Please visit their booths. Ready ang ating next speaker because kanina na pag-usapan natin ang inventory, right? As MSMEs, important crash course on inventory management. This is a part of their course or things offered sa Academy of Developmental Logistics Incorporated or ADB. Please welcome on stage Ms. April Arboleda.
Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Actually, I'm also speaking in experience because I also like being a farmer who serves before, so I know not just how to teach basic inventory, but I live through inventory management. Inventory management. So to avoid supply or undersupply products, we don't want to have too much undersupply where you cannot produce any of your products.
We have regular, hot, and fried. Ayun po, panghang po yung level. Ano yung tikman, ma'am? Wala po, sinashot.
Sausaw lang
This is for
ako.
regular and hot and fried. Yes, yes. Nakakautan po na lang. We don't? Why?
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Our raw material. So anything that is raw or from the product vegetables, fruits, meat. So those are your raw materials. Eggs, progress for finished products. So when we are making bread, so we're one of the first processes I can bread is like proofing, and the dough rice.
Ano po ito? Thank you.
So ka na may strawberry. Sige lang, ma'am.
Ano ba yung green? Yung gitna? Ah. Ano po yan?
Garlic.
Ay, sorry. Ang garlic? Sorry. Thank you.
Oh, nice. That's talagang good on purpose.
Sarap. Sarap.
Garlic and chili oil po. Ito ma'am, mild lang yung anghang niya ma'am. Ito po mas paanghang lang po ng konti. 2 years expiration yan ma'am. Ito refrigerate na din po yan ma'am. Ito mapalagay natin. Hindi nawawala yung crispiness din ma'am. 2 years po yan ma'am. Thank you. 2 years expiration. Crispy garlic and chili oil. Hindi lang po for ma'am.
Pwede tingnan yun ito.
Mahal man.
Ang sarap nito.
Thank you po. Mahal nga lang ma'am.
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Konti na lang. The best po.
Sarap nito.
Ay, thank you, ma'am. Tapos na yung namin. Calling card.
Pwede ko naman po. Try kayo.
Ito, hindi.
Try niyo, ma'am. Ano? Ma'am, kuha po kayo.
Thank you. Sarap. Hindi siya malansa. Salamat.
Thank you ma'am.
Thank you.
Try nyo. Asos.
Free taste. Deliver ka sa akin.
Anong i-detect? Anong...
Para nyo titikman. By using this.
Ayan.
From mildest to happiest.
Yung community po.
Yung lead.
Agad.
Wag muna. Yung ito, yung lead.
Roxanne.
Ang pepper na ginamit dito is ghost pepper na ginamit ako.
Hindi po kayo ni Roxy.
Thank you.
Hindi. Kumbaga, kami
Ghost pepper. Yan ang classic namin.
Refer siya.
Hulong na
Refer si Roxanne.
ghost pepper ang ginamit. Ngayon try pa mag-baba.
Yung pinakamanghang na.
Pinakamanghang na. Sige, ito yung tinatawag naming
kukuha muna siya ng
supremo. Ang ibibigay ko sa'yo.
ano.
Ayan.
Ito, ang ating supremo.
Opo.
Primo tali ang ginamit naming...
Kukuha muna po siya ng pwede din.
Thank you.
So,
True man.
hindi man pa rin ang kausap.
Online shopping. Meron kami. Lazada, Shopee, TikTok. Available din kami sa One World Daily. Yun yung physical store.
Anghang.
Quite complex. Unless you're in a bigger production company where you really have your IT staff, active staff, that can manage. One also is obsolete inventory. There are some products that might have been removed. So managing and then you also start doing your ingredients for your materials, and then something else to be and then limited storage space. You don't have a warehouse. You don't have an extra room in your house where you store your products and even then it's a problem of where in our forecasting we didn't try to forecast, we didn't try to craft. There were so many
Pinapadala na isa pa.
Kasi yung 4 boxes ay 300 pesos. Yung 4 boxes, 300. 4 boxes na lang. Moving forward,
Ito ma'am, ito naman. Try nyo mo. Yan naman, tuna naman ito po. Ang hirap yan kaya pag nakamalit ka pala. Peanut butter po, crunchy coco, jaman sarap.
Peanut butter. Ididip lang ba? Thank you.
we used to use
Pwede po. Ay, sige. Meron kayo yung pistachio.
Saan galing ito?
Ano yung
Our two winners is Joel Aero and Abigail Abed. Please go here and bring your ID.
Morning.
That's good.
Sana original. Tuyo. Spicy.
Yun yung spicy.
Number 61, yeah. Design you ilang
Thank you.
Joel and Abigail Abed. Abigail, yeah. Here, Abigail. Joy, dito tayo sa tingpagdag na. Joy Ero. Joy Ero. Halika dito. Ikaw na lang kinakailangan. Sige lang kayo muna dyan. Yung uy, grabe. Collaboration ng Shopee na napupunta ko yung isang
Ay, ma'am. Second spicy po.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Pineapple chili sauce?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you.
Ano po si pineapple jam, ma'am?
Thank you.
Here's the
Masarap. Pineapple chili sauce. Pwede pala.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, excuse me. Very patient. Thank you. Okay lang.
Sure. Ito yun, ma'am. Coconut sugar cube. Pag-powder naman.
Ano po ito?
This is our seasoning sauce. Ito po yan. Coco aminos and coco sabor. It's made of coco sap and sea salt. This is used by keto and low carb.
Ano? At coco sugar, no?
Low in sodium, tapos low
Pag sa diabetic. Sa diabetic.
Yeah.
Saglit lang naman.
Maraming salamat po. And last but not the least, sa whole Korean, ang e-commerce bureau ay booths 226 and 227. So e-commerce settings and whatever announcements are needed. Si Chef Talir, nag-ready pa siguro ng ingredients. So,
Bigyan po ng 80 pesos lang po, 100 grams po. Masarap po, right?
Facebook, Instagram, actress Nina Angel, the one TikTok and Instagram. Ayan, I'll add you back. Okay, I'll follow you back. And speaking of magic, Hindi ko gusto natin mag-magic dito. Kailangan din tumawa sa isang exhibitor sa booth number booth number 931. Booth number 931. Sa kanila meron. I'll give you 10 seconds to come over here. Baka mag-over din ang inyong business. At the same time, we're gonna give them a little something.
Sir, pwede pong may ratings.
Let me just get my group here. And I'll make it open.
Thank you.
Group number 91. Halika dito i-promote natin ang business mo. Meron ba tayong representative? 5 seconds. 2, 1. Okay, you participate now. Who's number?
Yes po.
235. Yung number 235. Halika dito i-promote ang business mo. Tatlo na sa concept ko. Iwan mo ay your tax only dito. Yung number, so yung names. 235. Number 235. Please promote your business here. It's your chance for 5 seconds.
Yung dos ko, yung recipe ng dos ko.
Yung sa habanero.
Yung chili ng habanero. Wala. Pero din siyang
Like,
ito ba?
from what company money?
Hindi ko alam. Basta local nilang ko yun. Pero walang ko yun.
I'm from Caritas Kids.
So,
Meron kami ginagawang na community. Produce ko nila
So, hindi natin 50 para sa hotel. Magkakaroon sa akin.
Pumelo.
magkano po ang kumelo?
180 po, sir. Hindi na po, from
Thank you, Miss Cynthia. Go to Mega Trade Hall 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. Ito, something unique. I wanna explore Pacomo. Kasi it's something that's very staple. But I wanna see what else non-Pacomo has to offer. All the way from Pangasinan, alam naman natin kung saan talaga pinakamasarap na pinakamasarap na Pacomo para sa Korean. Ikaw, hindi ko pero I think guarantee malapit na sa paglalakad. So, ay kung may tutulungan. So, ito yung mga bestseller. So, magkano yung patas at saka magkano yung business mo yun? 60 pesos sila.
Anong dish na may totoong butter, kaya niyong gawin. Promise. Tapos hindi siya magsuspoil. Yung labas-pasok ng fridge. Diba sa init, parang after 1 week.
Thank you again, Hoyang Food Corporation, booth number 120. Alright, nakuha na tayo sa stage dahil mag-a-announce tayo na, or actually na-announce na natin yung winner natin. Pero i-award natin siya, ready na si Chef. Si Chef Kadir Manicol. There you go, Chef! There we go, 5,000 pesos! Congratulations! Huli na natin ang isang vouchers ko, right? Sir, you are saying that, so we have your photo here are some seats photo. Alright, Chef, one question. Iyan sa mga
Yan, this ma'am, salted egg po.
Salted egg.
Original and potato.
Patikim.
Original ma'am. Potato. Fish and cassava.
Ito mang best seller namin, salted egg.
Hi.
Ayan po, spicy.
Thank you.
about food and technology, right? Let's welcome to discuss USC FNRI Developed Food Technologies. FNRI Science Research Specialist from USC FNRI, Ms. Janelle Ann Eden. Let's give her a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Magkano po?
Ay, balot po.
So we have first the Russian method, kung gawin mo yung natin, for example, yung higher education. And then, try informal history, or to mga beverages. And then prototype development, and then product evaluation. So yung technologies po ninyo as FNRI ay pinaka-video natin sa level of install mo yung technology or technology na development. And also yung private scale production.
Nabusog na ako sa free taste at kailangan ko ngayon panulak. So, pupunta ako doon sa beverage na area. Medyo nasa dulo na siya ng Mega Trade Hall.
Ay, bigyan mo na lang sa mga. Ito, ma'am, malunggay ice cream.
Thank you.
Ma'am, ito po ba, ma'am?
Okay lang saan kasi ayaw na matamis. Ito. Ano yan? Orange.
Malunggay orange po.
Malunggay orange.
Yan na lang, ma'am.
Thank you. Ay, sorry.
Thank you po, ma'am. May jump po din.
Thank you.
Yan, ma'am. Pretty. Ma'am, try niyo po mga dairy product, ma'am. May pretty po kami.
May basurahan lang.
Opo, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Sir, try niyo po mga dairy product namin, sir. Try niyo po mga dairy product namin, sir.
Eto, papalapit ako dito sa may tea at saka yogurt area. So, yung iba nakuhanan ko, yung iba hindi na. So, ito yung tea. Ito yung last na tikman ko na napakasarap. Yung tipong pag nilagyan mo ng sugar yung tea, para na siyang strawberry juice.
Ano siya, ate?
Loose leaf tea. Yes po.
Ate.
May po siya hot.
Tikim ako, ma'am. Anong tea po yun?
Very, very hot.
Okay, thank you.
Yes po. Per grams. 7 pesos per grams. Meron po kami 30 grams.
So, yun lang guys. Hanggang dito na lang. Thanks for watching. Bye!